video, I'll show you how PowerShell Pro Tools integrates with PSScriptAnalyzer inside Visual Studio. Right now I have PSScriptAnalyzer version 1.19.0 installed. And what PSScriptAnalyzer does, it does static analysis of your PowerShell script so that you can see suggestions for things that you should change in your code or errors that you might be making. When PSScriptAnalyzer is enabled, you'll see little green squigglies that show up inside your PowerShell scripts that give suggestions on things that you should change. Additionally, down in the error list, you'll see that we have a listing of all the suggestions made by PSScriptAnalyzer for this particular project. Double-clicking on any one of these will take you to that particular line, and then you can adjust that code simply by clicking the little quick fix icon up here and clicking the suggestion that it puts up in the drop-down. And as you can see, after doing that quick fix, it no longer appears in the bottom error list. To enable PSScriptAnalyzer integration, you can go to Tools, Options, go down to the PowerShell Tools section and click the Analysis tab. Inside this pane, what you'll see is there are a bunch of different script analyzer settings. First of all, it'll list the version that you've installed. If you don't have a version, it will suggest to install a version, and it'll download that from the PowerShell gallery. You can disable Script Analyzer support completely by unchecking this box. Additionally, there's solution-wide analysis that will go through all the scripts within your particular project or solution and analyze all those scripts, and then they'll appear in the error list pane that I showed you before. From there, you can filter out particular rules and severities if you don't want to know everything. For example, if you want to get rid of things like maybe information or warning, you could do that. Or you can disable individual rules. If you want just a couple enabled, you could disable all of them and just check those. So in this quick little video, I showed you how to enable and utilize PowerShell or PSScriptAnalyzer in PowerShell Pro Tools for Visual Studio.